the convention tomorrow, you guys. So right now we're just driving to eat lunch, and then later in the evening I'm gonna be meeting with the famous YouTube superstar. A lot of you guys, I'm sure you guys know who she is. I will see if they allow me to film them later, so yeah, you guys will get to see who I'm talking about, you guys. So here I'm just sitting in the back seat with Cloud and my husband's driving. So it's my first convention and I just want to document and share you guys the whole experience. Okay, so I'll show you guys tomorrow when I go to the convention. Hey guys, so checking back with you guys. I am heading to the restaurant and I'm going to meet, you guys know who is it? It's Angela, you guys. I'm gonna see if she allow me to photograph, and if I don't take any video, I will just show the photograph of us. So yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna be getting to see Angela and two other girls that I met through YouTube here. So you know, this YouTube community has been great, and I met so many friends. Oh, you guys, a little bit anxious but excited. So yeah, and there's a lot of traffic now. You guys can see all these traffic. Anyways, I'll see you guys and I'll update everything, how everything went, and also show you guys tomorrow. Hey, Kay, we're eating dinner now with Angela and Keenan. And then this is Sophia.
How about this?
Yeah, look at all the food, you guys. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit.
There's the one. Say hello, everybody.
Yeah. So you guys only get a little bit.
The legend.
She Angela Jasmina. Yeah, we finally get to meet Angela Jasmina, you guys. She showed me on her stage, you guys. And okay, bye, guys.